Hello YouTube, this is my channel. I am Miss B, and I'm just going to show off a few items that are in my Etsy shop, which is Gifts Essentialized, and that's GIFTSESSENTIALIZED. Again, that's my Etsy shop, and I'm going to show off some of the wine glasses that are there. So first I have this. It says love. It has hearts. And you can purchase this on the shop. And if there are any wine glasses that you would like me to post a video to show you how to make the wine glasses, I can do that. Just let me know at the bottom. And I have this one in black. Every day is Wine's Day. Shoot for the stars. Shoot for the stars. And it stars down here. Again, if you would like to know how to make these items, and comment at the bottom. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for videos that I currently upload to my channel. Until next time, bye YouTube.